Are you looking for a nature escape? Welcome to our 3-day, 2-night adventure in Bobby National Park. Day 1, let's travel to Bobby Lake for a peaceful retreat. Day 2, get ready for a cave exploration like no other at Tham Phay.
4.5 kilometers long. We should discover about 3 kilometers.
Day 3, trekking through the jungles before heading back to Hanoi with a heart full of adventure.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The kayaking on its own was beautiful. The scenery on the sides, it's amazing. The people you meet, it's seriously amazing.